Hi. In this video, I will explain to you why the continuous improvement culture is important for you and the company. As Simon Sinek says in the famous video Start with Why, it is crucial to understand the reason for the continuous improvement culture, to have all the employees engaged in this journey. Okay. From the company standpoint, it is important to implement continuous improvement because a company has constantly to make things better. If we focus on lean thinking, a company should continuously remove the 7 wastes from its processes, to reduce costs and increase profits. That's it. From the manager's point of view, to embrace the continuous improvement culture is really not an option to survive in a long-term vision. Now, let us pass to the employees. The continuous improvement culture is based on people's engagement and empowerment. So, if correctly implemented, this way of improvement should really create a better work atmosphere where people are really committed to improving the processes, having personal benefits. I think that every employee would like to have a clean workplace, achievable daily target, time to think new solutions, appraisal for the work done and tangible rewards. Is not it? Finally, the customer. By the continuous improvement culture, the company will delight the customer with lower prices, high quality and engaged people. So, at the end of the day, there is no reason why continuous improvement should not be implemented in any company. Benefits for all. This tutorial is made thanks to Lean Thinkers that are supporting monthly. If you want me to create other videos and joining the greatest Lean Thinkers community with a lot of benefits, click the link below.